Hello, beautiful rays of sunshine. Welcome back to my channel, my co-host Luna Boona. Self-portraits can seem a lot more difficult than what they really are, so I'm going to really break down the steps for you to show you how easy it can be. I take a majority of my photos on my Instagram account, like these bad boys, so I would consider myself a professional. I want to emphasize that you don't need the best camera to start taking photos. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars before you take your own amazing self-portrait. You don't need to. Hello, it's Alex from the future, and I'm quickly interrupting this video for today's sponsorship. Thank you, Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. They're a carbon neutral jewelry brand in New York, make beautiful pieces, and are having a Mother's Day sale on right now, 15% off. Link is in the description, and they gifted me a pair of earrings to give to my own mother. So here's that reaction.
I love them.
Happy Mother's Day.
I really love them. Should I put it on?
Okay. Yay.
I want to go look in the mirror.
Go run.
Okay, come with me.
Yes.
Oh, they're really nice. Very nice.
Yay. Okay, happy early Mother's Day.
You know, you didn't have to do that. But I'm really glad you did.
Yay. I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Boy. Well, that was cute and wholesome. Mother's Day means a lot to me because my mom and I haven't always had the greatest relationship, but we've healed, we've grown, we're in a better place now, so it's really fun to celebrate where we're at on Mother's Day. And I really appreciate Anna and Luisa for having beautiful designs. They do prioritize sustainability. They're a completely carbon neutral company, and they make small batches to eliminate excessive waste. Plus, their pieces are beautiful. Let me show you what I'm wearing. On my ears, I have the Celeste earrings, which also come with a star on the other side, and they're mini huggy hoops. I'm also pairing them with the Yusuf chain, which is so shiny and beautiful, and my forget-me-not pendant. They look fantastic, literally dressed up or currently in my sweats. Like, I look fantastic. They dress up everything. I will definitely be adding more pieces to my ears as I build up my stack, but currently, these are what I am wearing every freaking day. All of their pieces are currently on sale right now, 15% off. Link is in the description. Go check them out, and let's get back to the video, shall we? The camera I use is a Canon 60 Mark II. The most useful capability of it is the flip out screen. Now our second piece of equipment is the tripod. I bought this Manfrotto travel tripod because it's super light and it can just go into my backpack. Easy peasy. Any tripod will do, especially if it allows it to go boop, portrait mode. After the camera and the tripod, our third piece of equipment is our intervalometer. This is a game changer. If you saw my previous video about gear, I showed my newer intervalometer, which since then this guy has stopped working on my camera. It's just not that trustworthy with this little connection right here. I don't know if this freezes, I don't know what's wrong, but I bought a new one. This one is from JJC. I've had zero issues with it. It works just the same, but more reliable in the cold. So I might recommend this guy over the newer. Let's set her up. Set up on my tripod. Settings all look fantastic. And now I'm gonna attach my intervalometer on this little guy right here. Once she's plugged in, we're gonna turn her on, start taking photos after 4 seconds so that I can get into position. Take a photo I like to go 2 or 3 seconds, and the number of photos I like to set at the highest, which is 399. I am not gonna take that many, but I'd rather take too many than too little. Hook it onto my camera. I should probably find a better way to do that. So I'll just flip it out, press start, and start shooting. And in just a few seconds, we got a handful of shots. Now this setup is what I use for practically all of my self-portrait shoots. That is, unless I can't see the amount of detail I need in this flip-out screen, or my autofocus is just not working perfectly. Then I'll use the Bluetooth function to set up my cell phone. Let me show you. For this setup, we will not be using our intervalometer. Sorry, guy. Open up the wireless communication, hit Wi-Fi function, and set up your phone. Once your phone is connected to your camera's Wi-Fi, you'll want to pull up the app Camera Connect.
This is so handy. We can even change all of our settings and take photos right here on our phone. And my main problem with this setup is I suck at hiding my phone. I go to take the photo and I don't know where to put it, especially when I'm standing somewhere. So I usually have to Photoshop my phone out of it and post. It's not great. Now this way is awesome if you want to make sure that you are in focus. So I'll touch my face, I'm in focus, 2-second timer so I can throw my phone off to the side. So it is a little bit more time consuming, but if you're not super confident about your poses, this is super handy. Now if your camera doesn't have a hookup for an intervalometer and doesn't have the Bluetooth setting to attach your phone to, I'm gonna show you the built-in method for taking photos. This is not my favorite, and I'll show you why. Now this setting is not available in live view mode, so you gotta make sure is turned off. Hit your menu and you'll find interval timer. This one is set to take a photo every 2 seconds. Let's give her a try. Because we can't use the live view mode, we can't actually see on our screen what the photo looks like or where we are in the photo. So this is all by chance or trial and error. I might be in the frame. Wow, okay, I don't know how I was in the middle of that frame so perfectly, but some of them turned out like that. Such a good co-host today. Thank you for watching and hanging out with us today. Remember to give this video a like, and if you want to see more about posing, self-portraits, and such, remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye!